Hi, in this video I just want to continue talking about some extremely simple, basic fishbowl reports that are created within Jasper Reports, iReport, and just want to kind of, again, just go to something very basic. Reporting Guru as a company, we can create the reports, very complex reports for you, set up your reports, or modify existing ones, fix reports if you need to, if you need that. So, in this video, I'm just going to just create this real basic report where I'm in JasperSoft. I report here, and I'm just going to I'm going to go to File, New, and I'm just going to from here, I'm just going to launch the report wizard. Let me pull this up a little bit so you can see. Launch report wizard, and we're just going to call this, I don't know, let's just say it like a PO report maybe, and and then so here's our data source. Fishbowl is the data source, and we're connecting to a MySQL database. We're going to design this query. All I'm going to do is just pick like one table. Let's see, I don't know, like PO, purchase order. PO. All right, so that's all the possible columns in the table. So you add the column to the data set that we're creating here, and then next. And so I'm just going to add like the buyer. So these are fields that will be available to actually put on the report itself. I don't know, customer sales order. They created maybe. And then next, we're not going to group anything. Finish this. Alright, congratulations. Oops. Alright, cool. We created a little PO report, and okay. So the fields that we made available are the PO buyer, and then I'm just going to drag that to the detail area. And the customer sales order number. Again, this is a super duper simple report. So we can create extremely complex reports for pretty much anything you need. I'm going to preview this. And so this is your report development environment that you build the report, and then you can preview it in here. Connects to the database, and via the data source, well, the data set, and then pulls the data into the report. And then once you get the report the way you want it within this development environment, you'll then upload it to within Fishbowl, so that you can view it within Fishbowl. And so that's it. So again, if you need help, just email us at info@reportingguru.com. Thank you.